Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to play iOS 26 liquid glass effect on your iPhone lock screen. Apple introduced the new liquid glass effect with iOS 26, bringing a fresh and fluid animation style to the iPhone lock screen. This effect adds a sleek, modern touch to how your screen reacts when you interact with it, making your iPhone feel more dynamic and alive. That said, let's get started. To experience the liquid glass effect, simply swipe down slowly from the top center of your iPhone lock screen. Instead of a plain transition, you will notice the display moving with a pretty smooth, liquid-like animation that feels futuristic and visually appealing. It's subtle yet eye-catching enough to give your iPhone a premium and unique feel every time you check your device. Not everyone prefers such effects, though. If you find the animation too distracting or want a simpler interface, Apple has made it easy to reduce the intensity as well. Just head over to the Settings app on your iPhone, and then you have to scroll down a bit and choose the accessibility option. After that, tap on Display and Text Size option. And finally, enable the toggle located right next to Reduce Transparency and you are all set. This tones down the liquid glass effect, offering a cleaner and less animated lock screen experience while still keeping your iPhone smooth and functional. With iOS 26, Apple gives you the choice: enjoy the full fluid animation or keep everything minimal to your heart's liking. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy iPhone tips and tricks, and I'll catch you in the next one.